Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very easy, solid pentagon pattern. For this crochet project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a 4-ply silk yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to make a ring of chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and now pull the yarn through other 2 loops. We have 2 double crochet stitches here including first 3 chains. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook again, go into the ring of chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make another double crochet stitch into the ring. Make 2 chains. Again make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the ring. Make chain 1 and then chain 2 again. Double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now make 2 chains and make fifth set of 2 double crochet stitches here. Now make last 2 chains for the 5th corner of pentagon and make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain here, and our first round is completed. Now we would start our second round. So for the second round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Now we would work into this chain 2 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same chain 2 space of corner. Now we would make a double crochet stitch into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 2, then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and again we have chain 2 space for our corner. In this corner space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Again make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch and work in the corner chain 2 space by making 2 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and then 2 double crochet stitches. into the same chain 2 space for our corner. Repeat the same process till the end. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. And we would start our third round. For the third round, make 3 chains. Then make a double crochet into the double crochet stitch which is right after chain 3. Then make a double crochet stitch into the next double crochet, then into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, and then we have chain 2 space for our corner. So in this corner, chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, and then chain 2, and double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2. So this is our pattern. Now we would make simple double crochet stitches in each of the next double crochet stitches till next chain 2 space, and making double crochets in all these double crochet stitches, and in chain 2 space make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet for corner, and complete this round with the same process. So I have made all stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. So this is our pattern of making a solid pentagon. You can proceed this pattern with the same process of making double crochets in every double crochet stitch, and 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in every chain 2 space of corners. You can make it as long as you want, and this project can be used for different crochet patterns. Like you can use it to make crochet baby blankets, you can use it to make shawls. This smaller size pattern can be used to make crochet rings with a 3-ply yarn. Now use a needle to weave these yarn ends. I am using a yarn needle to weave this yarn. So first of all, pull the needle to back side, and we would make a knot like this way so that our stitches would not get loose, and then we would weave this yarn end with the help of needle by pulling the needle through some backside stitches. Now cut this extra yarn end and weave the starting yarn end with the same method as well. So I have woven the yarn end and our pattern is ready, which you can use in different crochet projects. So I hope you guys like this very easy and beginner friendly pattern. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.